Stop marketing to strangers if your aim is to sell a product or services through meta ads right here on social media. Yes, strangers, I mean people who have never seen or heard about your products before. In one of my videos on this YouTube channel, I've given you a practical step-by-step strategy guide on how you can use awareness campaign objective on the meta ads to actually generate sales. You'll find that information right here on this video titled Awareness Campaign Facebook Ads Explained, when and how to use the awareness campaign objective. In this video, I broke down so many strategies on how you can use awareness ads to generate views first or make people aware of your product, then use those persons who already know about your product to actually make sales. In this video, I made it very clear that the awareness campaign objective is the first campaign you must run if no one knows about your product or your service. This video carries all the tips and hacks that you need to actually make sales. If you've not seen this video, come on. The link to the video is in the description below. Click on that link so you can get all of those secrets that I actually mentioned. Part of the strategy is to make a video talking about your brand, using that video to run awareness ad. For example, this video is a video that we use to run ads for a particular product. Yes, a product that we promoted and analyzed in our previous video. As you see here, this video got about 75,760 persons who watched this video from the beginning till the end, as you see here. Yes, we were able to get a very good retention rate for this video. So the question now is this: after getting these persons to watch this video, about 75,000 persons who watched this video, how can we now retarget these particular persons who saw this video, making them persons who will see our adverts and then see either our testimonial ads or our sales ad? That's exactly what I'll be showing you right here in this video. So we have about 2 videos we'll be using to create this custom audience. What are those videos? This particular first video, the edited version of video 1, and also this video 1. So both videos are basically talking to the same audience. So now we are going to be using these 2 videos to create custom audiences. What is a custom audience? We want to create 50% of people who have watched these 2 videos together. What's the very first thing to do? Click on the hamburger menu you see here, the All Tools buttons, and you're going to see a section that is called Audiences. Anywhere you are on your ads manager, just come to this All Tools button, you will see Audiences. If you don't find Audiences here, click on this All Tools button and you're going to find Audiences here, or still you find Audiences here. So click on any of the audiences that you see. After clicking on it, it will take you straight up to the section where you now have the privilege of creating an audience. As you see here, I have so many audiences that are created, but I'll be creating a new custom audience with those 2 videos that I've just showed you. Come over here and click on Create Audience. You'll see Custom Audience. Click on Custom Audience and it's going to open up a section where you have to select your custom audience source. Now in the audience creation section of our Meta Ads Masterclass, yes, the masterclass on YouTube here where I show you practically how to run ads professionally. In that section, the audience creation section, I show you basically how to generate audiences from all of these sources. If you have not seen that masterclass, the link is in the pinned comment section below. Click on that link, it will take you to the entire playlist where you see all the videos from beginning to end where I share information for free about how you can run meta ads in this year 2026. So there I covered all of these custom audience sources that you see here. But for the purpose of this video, we just want to create a custom audience of persons who have watched a certain number of a video we use to run ads. So come over here and click on meta sources. You will see video. Click on this video and click on next. So once you click on this, you will now see a section that says you choose what? The engagement. Choose an engagement type. So now I want people who have watched at least 50% of those 2 videos. 50% of those videos. So I'll click on this and then I would come here and select videos. So it's now asking me to select a video that I want to actually track persons who have watched. So now go over here, Facebook page, come over here and select the Facebook page. I'll select the web hosting account because that is. So over here, I'll be selecting the videos that I would be using. So this is one of the video. This is one here. I scroll down, I will see the other one. Go next to the second page. Go next to the second page, I'll find the other video here. So here's the video, V.S.L web hosting edited one. So here's the video. I've selected the two videos and then I click on confirm. So automatically, what Meta is going to do is create an audience of people who have watched at least 50% of these two videos. So those are the people that will be under that audience. Audience rotation, leave it as 365 and then I'll name my audience. So what would I name it? I would name it as what? Watched 50% of web hosting awareness video. So this audience basically are people who have watched what? 50% of this video. And I click on what? Create audience. So immediately I click on create audience, the audience have been created. Automatically, you find them here. So what you now see is that the audience will take some time to populate. It will look at the number of persons who have watched those videos and grade them all together into this section. Now, in less than 24 hours, you will see this audience showing ready, just as all these audience are showing ready that you see under my custom audience section. So this is basically how you step by step create a custom audience of people who have watched a certain number of your video. Now, so many tutorials you will see will just show you how to create these custom audiences, but they would not show you how to use it or when to use it. But here in this video, I will not just show you how to create these audiences, I would give you a tip on how to develop strategies that would help you use them perfectly. So after creating the audience, scroll down to campaigns and let's create a new campaign so you can see exactly how to use these audiences you have created. Click on create. Once you click on create, select whether your traffic ads or your sales ad. I'll be selecting sales ad here. Click on continue. Now after clicking on continue, you know what to do here. Fill all of these sections, go down to your audience section. Under this audience section, you are expected to see a section that says you should choose your custom audiences. But you may not see it because the audience section here may be set on what? Advantage plus. So we need to turn this off. So it will give us the opportunity to do what? To select our custom audiences. How can that be done? Scroll down and you see this button that says further limit the reach of your ads. Now it's possible that on your own ads manager section, you are not seeing this button here. Do well to contact me with the link you find in the description below that talks about my one-on-one mentorship program so that I'll be able to show you how to find this button in your own ads manager. Click on this button and click on further limit. Click on continue and the whole system here is going to change. I mean the audience selection system. So once you come to this section here, over here you're going to see custom audiences. Custom audiences. Click on this and then select existing what? Custom audiences. As you click on this, you're now going to see all the custom audiences you have done what? You have created. What you just need to do is what? Select one of it and you are good to go. After selecting this, automatically people who are going to use or see this advert are people who have only done what? Watched 50% of that web hosting video or those videos that you selected while creating your what? Your custom audiences. You can now decide to further limit it by putting in locations here if you wanted to select people out of this location, put in age, put in gender, but if not, leave it at that. Scroll down and do what? Make sure you untick this section, this button here that says use as suggestion. It says we'll also reach similar audience when it's likely to improve performance. Please do not reach similar audience. Let it stay focused only on the persons who have actually done what? Seen that video before. In this context, what I do is to show this audience testimonial videos. Now, after showing them testimonial videos, I now go further to target persons who have seen those testimonial videos from beginning till the end, and then I run what? I run my sales ads to them. This is the strategy that we are actually talking about. I must tell you the truth. This audience creation or strategy development section is an area where so many business owners struggle. Yes, creating the audience like I've just shown you is very, very easy. But knowing what to do with the audience is where the real skill comes in. That's why, as a digital marketer, I am actually out there to help you out. I'm very, very sure that in your mind you have questions like, now what should I do next? For example, you've just shown me your own example. I've just shown you my own example, which is web hosting. What if your own is clothes you are selling? Or maybe you're selling properties, real estate, and the rest of them. How can you go about it? Or maybe you are wondering, how long should your ads run for this retargeting? Or what offer should you present to persons who have actually seen this ad or this custom audience you've created? Or maybe, at what point are you supposed to run sales ad in your own ads manager, your own strategy? All of these things are the things I walk through with my members who are under my mentorship program. Yes, because thinking of those strategies is not always easy. So I can actually help you think of a strategy that will sell your own business. Not these case studies that I'm actually showing out here. Yes, your own particular business. You know how to run the ads. What I just do is develop a strategy for you and monitor every single process of what you do. If you want me to do that for you, come on. I am right there in the description below. You'll find a button or a link there that takes you straight up to my WhatsApp. Then we'll discuss your mentorship program on how I can actually help you do all of this. That is only if you need guidance. But if it's something you can do for yourself, I'm sure you've gotten massive value from this video. Come on. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do well to like this video and share your thoughts with me in the comment section below. That is if you found this tutorial very, very helpful. In the next video that you already seen on your screen, I covered another very, very important aspect of meta ads. One that will blow your mind. Do well to watch that video. And if you're serious about learning Facebook ads and building complete advertising systems that consistently generate sales, do well to actually contact me for my mentorship program. Don't forget to subscribe and share because I share real-world Facebook advertising strategies that would actually help you grow your business every week. I'll see you in that next video that's currently showing on your screen.